Hey everyone, creating projects from scratch can take a lot of time, especially when you manage similar workflows again and again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Asana templates to quickly create organized projects, customize workflows, and save time. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. From your workspace, click the option to create a new project. Instead of starting from a blank project, choose the template option to browse available templates. Inside the template library, you'll find different templates designed for common workflows. You can choose templates for project planning, marketing campaigns, content calendars, product launches, meetings, and more. Selecting the right template gives you a ready-made structure to start with. Before creating your project, preview the template to see what it includes. Check the tasks sections, custom fields, timelines, and other details. This helps you make sure the template matches your workflow. Once you find the right template, click the option to use it. Asana will create a new project based on that template. You can then add a project name, choose a team, and adjust privacy settings before creating it. After creating your project, customize the template to fit your needs. You can add or remove tasks, change deadlines, update assignees, modify custom fields, and adjust project views. Templates are just a starting point. You can make them work for your exact process. If your team uses the same workflow frequently, you can save your own project as a custom template.